Hey, it's Mark Tompkins from Buzz Marketing. I'm here with Mike, the vegetarian butcher. Now, you've got a fairly new store in the Mission.
Right.
So tell us a little bit about the store.
Yeah, you bet. We're located down across the Mission Creek Bridge, 3957 Lakeshore. We have a storefront full of retail items, grab-and-go items of the plant-based grocer variety. We have in-store deli items, soups in the winter, not soups today, sandwiches and wraps and stuff ready to go for today.
Awesome. And now Mike came by, I think about 2 weeks ago, and he brought a whole bunch of sandwiches and a bunch of pre-made, hot meals. It was absolutely delicious. And we got a new friend here today. So I was, I like eating meat, but I was actually blown away by how delicious
Cool.
it was.
Yeah.
It is some of the best vegetarian food I've ever had. So congratulations.
Awesome. Yeah, and that's what we're out here to do. We're out here to eliminate all the myths of eating plant-based or vegan needs to be disgusting, and it's just a plate of vegetables. We're here to show how delicious it can be.
Yeah, it's awesome. And obviously the cats like it as well.
You bet. We're animal friendly.
Exactly. Thanks.